ये हमारा जाहिद दुबई डॉग से हो गया, पागल हो गया. Okay, now we are going to recognize the car brand. Yeah, I will ask him that which brand and which model. He will tell us without looking and without saying anything else on the car. Okay.
You are telling English?
Yes. Come here. Come here. Come. I will show him that I want to know what the brand for these cars, and he will tell me from the here, and car will be so far, means say 20 meter or 30 meters more than. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's now we will start. This guy, this Sabir, this white.
This is Hyundai Accent.
Okay. Yani I asked him first and second one, huh?
Second one, white one.
Okay.
Hyundai Accent, 100% sure.
Okay.
That
Let's
is
see
Accent,
this
dude.
is correct or not correct.
Yeah, it is. It is
And
Accent.
this is, yeah, this is correct. I will show him this is the Hyundai symbols and this is the accent. Okay. Now another one I will ask him. This another white one I will zoom. I will zoom first.
Which one
Yes,
you are asking?
this white one. This first white, which
First white.
Yes. Tell me.
I want to see.
Okay.
This is Tida.
Which one?
Tida.
Tida from which company?
This is Nissan Tida.
Nissan Tida. Let's see. This is correct or not correct. And what the next of the white one?
That one, black one.
Yes.
Black one is Nissan Patrol. Yeah,
This
sure,
black.
sir.
Okay.
Patrol.
Nissan Petrol and
Yeah.
Nissan Tida.
Nissan Patrol.
Now we will confirm this is true or not.
Yeah, dude. What I am telling you, na? That is perfect.
This is Tida. You tell me Tida, huh?
Yeah, Nissan
Yeah,
Tida.
this is the Nissan. I will show you. Yeah, correct.
Come back side there.
Yeah, this is Nissan
Back side.
and brand is
This is Tida.
yes. This is Tida. This is Nida. Excellent.
Also show me.
This
show
is
me
the
also.
Nissan Petrol. He told us.
Nissan.
Yes, this is.
Show me also.
Yes,
This
this.
is Nissan Patrol, dude.
This is Nissan.
Patrol. That's it.
Where? Yeah, this is Nissan Petrol. Correct. Okay. Here is many van
Too much
cars is
rush,
available,
rush.
so we will get confused. So I will ask later. Come after 10-20 meters, then I will ask another vehicles.
Oh. Now I'm going correct.
Yeah, he is
Maybe I'll do
three
some
cars
mistakes.
now. Three.
Oh, there he is.
Three cars now. I will ask him that. This is very near, so I will ask some distance one. No more car here. Okay. I will this after a stair handrail. This ramp you see. Maybe
This
I
one
will do
SUV. You are asking SUV.
this white one. This one.
Uh,
Only back we can see this.
That is Pajero.
Pajero.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Mitsubishi. Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah,
Okay.
100%. Now
We will see.
100%.
This is Pajero or not.
Yeah, dude, it's Pajero. Mitsubishi Pajero. 4-wheel drive. Very cheap and best SUV.
Yes, I think this is Pajero. This is correct, but I will confirm by see logo.
Come back side. It is Pajero.
Yes, this is Pajero. See, this is Pajero. Come here, come. I will ask another one. Yes, I know. You can dance, I know. Come here, come. This I want to know this black one. This cycle guy is
Black
coming.
one. Which one?
Cycle guy is coming. That's this black. After this car,
That
this
is-
second one.
That is Mitsubishi Lancer, old model.
Mitsubishi
100%
Lancer.
sure.
And what is the last one? This is last. Where is the man is walking there around this
This
car?
is Toyota Hilux, 100% sure.
We cannot see proper because this very dark, no?
Yeah,
And he's
I'm
telling
seeing,
to
dude.
confirm. How it is amazing, huh?
That is my talent, only the thing I have.
Okay, let's see. This is what he told. This
Lancer.
Lancer and last one
Hilux.
Hilux. Okay.
This is Mitsubishi, that is Toyota.
Oh my God. Yes. This is Lancer, huh?
Yeah, old model. Damn sure, man. Damn sure. I am damn sure.
Where is Lancer? It's not
This is
Lancer.
Mitsubishi Lancer. There is no name.
Okay.
It is Lancer.
Okay. And this is
Hilux.
Hilux.
This is also a Lancer.
Ah,
This is a new
yes.
model.
This is Hilux.
Yeah, dude,
See?
this is Hilux. Fuck it off, man.
Hilux.
Fuck it off.
Okay. Let's see another.
This is Hyundai Sonata. See this Hyundai Sonata. What I told you, na, earlier,
Yes.
that is Hyundai Sonata.
Okay. Okay. Come here. This car, this white one.
This white one.
Straight one. Yeah. We can see straight
Ah.
now. What is
This
this?
is Toyota Land Cruiser.
Toyota. Land
Four-wheel
Cruiser.
drive.
Okay.
This is Desert King. See this girl? This is Chinese girl. I also interested in chicks, but I don't love.
Which car
them.
he is going on?
This one.
Which car he?
This one is Land Cruiser.
Okay.
Land Cruiser. Sure.
Yes, this is Land Cruiser. Yes, this is Land Cruiser.
Land Rover. Yeah.
Yes. And this is
Land Cruiser.
Land Cruiser. Correct. Okay.
Lexus.
Now we are going to, in very difficult way, I will ask them. This one, where is I can, after this last, this you can see this pickup. After this pickup, you can see only highlight. What is told this?
This is Toyota Hilux.
Halogen, huh?
This is Toyota Hilux.
Toyota Hilux.
Yeah.
Sure.
You can ask anyone.
Okay.
Yeah, 100% sure.
Ah. Toyota.
Coming na? This
Toyota.
This is Parado.
Toyota.
Yeah.
What
Yeah,
is
yeah,
this?
Toyota.
Hilux, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my God! This is really Toyota Hilux.
Yo man, yo.
Yes.
Ask this one also. This is Honda Accord. This is Honda Accord, man.
Yes, this is Honda Accord.
You want to defeat me?
Come. At least he confirmed, I think 7 or 8. I did not count, but I think 7 or 8 cars is 100% correct one. So this type of the talent have.
This is Toyota new model Camry, 2018. 2017-18.
Okay, I will not ask him.
Go, check it out.
Okay, what is this car which I coming? This only
Prado.
Oh my God! Let's see. This is Prado or not? Yes, this is Prado. Yes, yes,
Nissan
yes,
Pathfinder.
my.
This is Nissan.
Yes,
Nissan
this was Prado. My. Okay. Okay, guys,
Pathfinder.
this
It
is.
looks like the same as
Okay, guys, this was Mr. Jahid from the Dubai Dogs,
from Dubai Dogs.
and
Tell you
just.
guys. Inshallah.